In 1850s, pictures were taken of Darbar Sahib, which showcased a majestic palace built in the complex. Many people have different thoughts about the origin of this palace. We only know that the French engraving of the Darbar Sahib complex, printed in 1836, indicates that the palace did not yet exist in the early 1830s. But it was there in 1841 when a painter, Auguste Schiff, included it in his paintings of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. This palace was probably the home of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. When Ranjit Singh was ruler, there were more than 80 palaces near the complex. These palaces were residences of influential Sikh families, but today only two of these palaces are still there, the Akal Bunga and the Ramgarhia Bunga. When the British came to rule, they took over the palace. They used it as a school, a prison, and a police station. The prison remained for many years until the lost palace was demolished by British authorities to make way for a European-style clock tower in its place. The construction of the clock tower was started in 1862 and was completed in 1874 at a cost of over Rs 50,000. The clock tower stood at a height of 145 feet, dominating the Darbar Sahib and the Amritsar skyline. Although a clock tower traditionally has a small base, it was decided that the palace and all other buildings in the area would be demolished during construction to create a large open courtyard around the new clock tower. Some sources also say that the tower was built by the British as a church to convert Sikhs into Christianity. But photographic evidence indicates that it only had a weather vane at its pinnacle and not a cross. Also, the interior chamber was a relatively small room of approximately 20 feet by 20 feet, not a very large or practical space for congregations or church services. This clock tower was pulled down after India's independence in 1947.